Hey everyone, it's Kurt with BlueRucksack.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an SSL certificate for a new WordPress site on SiteGround hosting. Now, SiteGround offers a free SSL certificate with all of their hosting packages, which is fantastic. If you don't already have SiteGround hosting, you can get a special offer by using my link, which is in the description below. The link is www.siteground.com/go/bluerucksack. Now that you've got everything you need, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your SiteGround hosting account and click on My Accounts. Then click Go to Cpanel. Once you're in your Cpanel, scroll down near the bottom to the Security tab and click on Let's Encrypt. When you're in the Let's Encrypt tab, you can see I already have a few websites set up with the SSL certificate that Let's Encrypt offers. But to set one up for a new site, click on the domain list, click on the website that you would like to add the SSL certificate to, and simply click Install. And you'll get a message that it was successfully installed. Click OK. And then you'll see it come up in your list of domains with SSL certificates. Select an action and click on HTTPS settings. Now for this new install, you'll want to enforce HTTPS. This will make sure that if any visitor tries to enter your site through, say, just a regular www.yoursite.com, that it'll automatically redirect them to the HTTPS. So we'll make sure that they're entering your website through the SSL certificate and that they're safe while browsing. So go ahead and click on. And then you'll see External Link Rewrite. This is another kind of safety for anybody visiting your site. If there's a link leading to your site that does not have your HTTPS, it will automatically rewrite that and redirect them to the secure entrance of your site. So go ahead and click on for that and click OK. And that's all there is to setting up your SSL certificate with Let's Encrypt on SiteGround hosting. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be glad to help. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.